In hotel operation, points of encounter are encounters with employees or services that impact visitors' perception of the establishment. A great experience impacts the hotel reputation and repeat business, and it requires clear communication, effective training, and a customer-focused attitude. When guests are trying to confirm their bookings while on hold at an airport or transit hub, the call starts off confused while waiting. They listen to lip music just to find out the hotel didn't know they were there. Unwelcome approach by the bellcap provide training for bellcaps in customer service that emphasize the importance of welcoming gesture and polite interaction with our guests or customers. Guest perception of judgment encourage staff to approach guests with understanding, focusing on their needs and experiences rather than preconceived notions. Lack of communication. Offer training on effective communication skills, emphasizing active listening and clarity in messaging in order to practice. Long wait time. Hire additional staff during peak times to reduce load and speed up serving. Miscommunication about reservations. Clarify details and send detailed confirmation emails or message that include dates, times, and any special request to avoid miscommunication. Unpleasant room condition. Regularly inspect rooms before guests check into identify and rectify issues such as cleanliness and maintenance or odor. If I'm a tailor, the ending on this story, I will report the staff because the staff in the history are not worthy of the guests being the staff of the hotel. If you have to perform the things that should be performed as a staff, you as a staff, you have to take care of the hotel you work in, because being a hotel staff, you have to be understanding, handle difficult situations, and you should be the first to follow the rules of your hotel. For me, this will help the hotel management to make their interactions with the guests smooth, how to communicate with the guests, and it can be also adapted by the next employees. My takeaways: being a hotel staff, you need to be a good staff. To guests, you must know the things first, know the work inside the hotel. Especially, you need to follow the rules being staff work. This is not casual. Being part of your job, you need being nice to your customer or guests, how to handle difficult situation like in the story of the case analysis.